Warning, reduce volume level. The remainder of this track contains sub-bass frequencies, which may exceed the physical limits of your audio system. In other words, this is where the woofer excursion test left off. This concludes the subwoofer system test. This track is intended for test purposes only. Continuous use of this track may cause premature system degradation.
It's Billy E and the bass mechanic.
Maldad, bebo para recordarte y tú que me llamas, pa' que pase a buscarte, pero